Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my packable rod. So here's my packable rod. Let's see, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but okay. So now, as you can see here, now my packable rod is a full long rod. And I have tried it out before. It's very nice and casts really well. Okay, got a makeshift weight on the end. Just a little piece of duct tape. Okay, I'm gonna be casting this thing outside to show you. This is it's a little weight so I can cast. As you can see, this rod is very nice. I don't think I have the best weight. I think with the other weights, it's a lot smoother. But this rod is great because it packs down really easily, like here. Like, look at how easy that is. And then it's not like it'll like fold back down on you while you're fishing. Like, this is a legit rod. Just you can fit it in a bag. And there you go. It's all packed up. And can close the reel down to be more flat. So, really happy. This was given to me for my birthday, so I don't know where you can get it, but honestly, there's so many things on Amazon. I guess you could get something like it from there, maybe Academy, Bass Pro, someplace like that. Thank you for watching the Ducky Doug YouTube channel.